cancer? Is it caused by genes, by lifestyle, or just bad luck? Some people believe that getting cancer is purely a matter of genes or bad luck. And it's true that cancer is caused by changes in genes. Genes are vulnerable to various factors, especially during a long human life. These changes can result in the uncontrolled cell growth that characterizes cancer. It's also true that cells will accumulate changes in genes when people age, thereby increasing cancer risk. It's a fact that nowadays people die less frequently from infectious diseases, accidents, preterm birth, while chronic diseases, including cancer, become more common. However, cancer is not an inevitable consequence of aging, and evidence shows that only a small proportion of cancers are simply inherited. Only 5 to 10% of most cancer is familial, meaning that they are caused by an inherited mutated gene. You may be familiar with the famous breast cancer genes, the BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes. Mutations in these genes lead to a very high risk of breast cancer in families. But for the other 90% of breast cancers, other factors play a role. Scientific research has shown that cancer risk actually depends on a combination of our genes and things that we are exposed to. Some exposures that are known to increase cancer risk are tobacco smoke, hormones, radiation, medication, chemicals, infectious agents such as viruses and bacteria, and pollution. In addition to that, what and how much we eat and how much we exercise also affects the risk of developing the most common types of cancers, such as colorectal, breast, and prostate cancer. Furthermore, it's crucial to understand that cancer is a multifactorial disease. Each type of cancer for each individual is caused by more than one factor. Essentially, the fact that cancer is for a large part not an inheritable disease is good news. It means that a considerable part of all cancers is preventable. And based on all the scientific evidence so far, it's estimated that 30 to 40% of the most common cancers are preventable by a healthy lifestyle. The term prevention does not mean the complete elimination of cancer in a population. It means reduction in cancer occurrence. It means that at any age, fewer people have cancer than otherwise would be the case. And to achieve this, guidelines for a healthy lifestyle and good communication with the public are very important. So there's no reason for people to say, there's nothing I can do about getting cancer, so why should I change anything? Lifestyle does have an impact on the risk of developing cancer. On the other hand, healthy living is not a guarantee that one does not get cancer. All it does is stack the odds in one's favor. We know that a heavy smoker can live a cancer-free life, while someone who never even touched a cigarette can still develop lung cancer. But people who never smoked have less chance of developing or dying from cancer than smokers do. Look at it this way. Even careful drivers can have accidents because of events that they cannot control, but they have a far less chance of being involved in an accident than reckless drivers do.